Model MXCR29S, 29-inch sandwich station refrigerator. X-Series sandwich stations come in 29-inch, 48-inch, 60-inch, or 72-inch sizes. Sandwich stations come with a stainless steel front, top, and sides, and an aluminum finished back to match. It comes with an 11.5-inch deep, full-length removable cutting board made from sanitary, high-density, NSF-approved white polyethylene. The recessed handles stay out of the way of those walking by. The doors below have a 90-degree stay-open feature for easy loading and unloading. For ease and mobility, the unit comes with 4 3.1-inch casters, 2 locking and 2 non-locking. The cabinet is foamed in place with CFC-free polyurethane insulated walls and doors. Each section comes with 1 adjustable shelf. The countertop prep area comes standard with 8 1/6 size clear polycarbonate NSF-approved food pans. The stainless steel lid keeps food fresher and pan temperatures colder. The fan force air design keeps product temperature between 33 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit. The digital temperature display is easy to view from the front. Measurements are 43.2-inch height, 29.9-inch depth, and 28.9-inch width. A 9-foot NEMA 5-15P cord set is included. Approved for commercial applications. Features may vary by country or location. Model MXCR29S.